actually it's good afternoon and happy weekend. So I hope you enjoyed the quick montage of me getting ready. It's Saturday and I am all ready for the beach. I have my husband's shirt on because all the shirts that I have are really short and I don't want to go to the beach and then, you know what I mean. So I just thought it's better, but I do have my swimsuit on. This is from Target, and I am we're gonna leave. We decided to leave at 11, but it's 12 and we're late. We're almost about to leave now. In what time? I guess in 10-15 minutes I am all ready. We're first gonna go to Best Buy, and I need to get a new memory card for my camera. I also need to get a new battery for my camera because the one that I have that keeps dying. So yeah, I need to get a new one for that as well. But yeah, we're about to leave. We're going to Cape May, that's in New Jersey, and it's about 2.5 hours drive, so we should probably get there by 3 if we leave by 12:30. So fingers crossed. Oh, I need to get my earrings on. See you in a minute. Alright, so we just got to Cape May and it is 4 o'clock. We are royally late. But we're here, it was a lot of traffic everywhere. But we are getting our food and drinks. Apparently they don't allow you alcohol on the beach, so that's a bummer, but we'll see. But yeah, let's go to the beach. Alright, so we are now headed home. It's 7:30. A really nice beach. This was our first time here, but it was really good. Very clean. A lot of families actually, but it was really nice. Yeah, so now we're headed home. It's going to take us 2 hours. So not much more to do after we get home. So we are back home, and now I am going to wash my hands and make some dinner. We actually took Indian sandwiches with us, so I'm just going to make that since we already have everything prepped. So I just need to put them in the machine and get it done. So I'm just going to do that because I'm really hungry and I'm tired. But it was a really nice day. It was a fun, relaxing day, and we had a really good time. I just lay there on the beach and listened to my audiobook on Audible and just listen to the sound waves, take a few pictures. Really nice and relaxing, fun day, how I would want every day to be, actually. But it was really good. Yeah, I'm just going to make some dinner for us and call it a night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. It is Sunday and it's almost 9:30. I slept in until 8:30 and then I was just talking on the phone. So that just made me late, but that's fine. I am going to get some coffee and then make my bed. I need to clean the house because it's like my clothes are everywhere, so I need to clean that. Got my coffee. Yeah, so like I was saying, I have a few stuff to do Today you have to clean the house, go to Nordstrom, go for groceries, but first I'm going to enjoy my coffee. Alright, so now this is what I'm dealing with here. This is like a pile from a month. Excuse me. I was doing very good, and then we got back from a vacation and this happened, and then I never got around to like sorting it out and putting everything back in place. So I have everything perfect, like kind of okay in these drawers, but otherwise it's just a mess outside. So I am going to sort this out next. Let's get started. Better now. I can actually walk here. Put my clothes. I try to keep them nicely categorized. Like these are my camisoles, these are the sleeveless ones, and then these are shirts, kind of blouses here, skirts here, and then my pants are here, my dresses with sleeves are here, my sleeveless dresses are here. These are like my kind of party or those kind of dresses. And then I have some stuff upstairs, like not upstairs, like on this shelf, and then my bags are here. So I try to do them nicely, and then I have my stuff in these drawers as well, which is like overflowing, as you saw. And at least everything is in its place, and I can actually find my stuff. Otherwise I was just rummaging through that pile, which was not good. Take this and put it in here. turned into a cleaning spree, but the house looks a lot better now, which is great. So yeah, I think I'm going to go get some food, get ready, go out, enjoy Sunday a little bit. So I got hungry while I was cleaning. So I'm eating some watermelon. Tell me, comment down below, what is your favorite fruit? I love watermelon and ripe mangoes. I love mango shake, but I love watermelon. Alright, change of plans. I'm not going to get ready. I'm just going to edit a few of the pictures that I took last week on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday, but I didn't edit them yet. So I'm just going to go and edit those pictures and then maybe go out for the groceries and make dinner. That's all. A chill day. Not really though. So that was our weekend. I hope you guys enjoy it, and well, it's almost 11 now and I am ready to go to bed because I'm pretty tired. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and have a great week. Bye.